All right, one Hilltop in Boonton, folks. So this is a 3-bedroom. You're gonna love it because it's got an open floor plan for the living room, dining room, and kitchen. High-end appliances, super high efficiency. It is a prefab, which was awesome, but it's so custom. Hardwood floors throughout. Last but not least, they just redid the front stairs. House is absolutely mint. Wraparound deck in the back that's absolutely ginormous. So come and see this, you're gonna love it. So you see in all listings, people say open floor plans, open floor plans. Well, this is the true, real deal open floor plan. What we have is the kitchen, center island. In the kitchen, we have a profile, refrigerator, GE profile, DCS appliances, 6-burner stove, real high-end, nice stuff. We have granite appointments all around, a 2-drawer dishwasher, and it's just wide open here, right? So when you look, you go over to the dining room area. Dining room area, seat 6, could easily seat 8. Dining room area walks out to 2 doors that go out to the deck. And then, if you come over this way, you have a complete area for living room. But the best part is, when you're entertaining, you're able to have everybody be together. And boy, I'll tell you, for gatherings for the family and the holidays, wow, this is the room of all rooms. All right, we're in bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, nice, neat, clean trim. Floors are in perfect shape. Fan light, newer windows. This is a 2011 build, so it's awesome, folks. Bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is huge, great sized bedroom. Again, the same hardwood floors throughout the whole entire level. Completely updated, modern trim, beautiful doors. Everything is just move-in ready here. All right, so we're on the main floor bathroom. It's a full bath with a tub. It's an insert tub. We have a cultured marble countertop, modern, updated, and in great shape. We also have behind the main door a large linen closet area that you can use. Hey, let me show you something. Come over here. So take a look at this view from up here on the 2nd floor of this home. So we have huge vaulted ceilings, audio in each of the ceiling sides. You have open floor plan for entertaining, hardwood floors throughout, tons of natural light. And did I mention this is a 2011 build? High efficiency. High efficiency meaning they have utilities in the home which are newer, and the best part about them is the whole entire basement and garage area has in-floor heat, which is really, really cool, ready for finishing. So now, as we walk in here, we are in the master area. So the master bedroom, obviously, beautiful large master bedroom. It's not like a typical a cape would be where it's closed in. High ceilings, wide ceilings, high efficiency. Then, off of the master, we have a walk-in closet and also a paired-up bathroom. You have modern appointments. It's in terrific shape. And once again, audio in this room as well. So when you're talking about a home that has a master suite that is separate from the general entertaining area, you have a great natural look, light, and feel in this home, and super high efficiency. All right, folks, so there are a bunch of sliders leading out to this huge deck. Now, when you look at the deck, it's deceiving because you see how far I am away? This deck is huge, and if you come with me over this way, you will see that it wraps around the entire house. It's built like a bomb shelter. So when I talk about excellent construction, very, very well built deck, wrapping around, this is pure entertaining area. And